Okay, so we've all seen this product that I'm about to go through. Instead of showing you an untapped product like most of my other videos, this one I'm going through a very saturated product, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts on if it's worth testing or not in 2021. Now we're in my computer, let's jump in. So we've pretty much all seen this product before. It is that yellow projector light where you can connect your phone, connect it to like a HDMI or USB or whatnot, and just display stuff on a projector on your roof, etc. It's a great product, and a lot of dropshippers have made a lot of money with this thing. In fact, I've actually sold it myself, and I wasn't able to scale it to 6 figures, but then again, this was also about a year and a half ago, so things have changed since then. First off, this product meets all of the pillars by far. These pillars are, number one, mass appeal. This product can be pretty much targeted to anyone who is young, college students, people in relationships, etc., etc. Broad audiences that are going to work. Mass appeal, there's no question about it. Facebook will not have trouble finding you customers. Number two, it has that margin requirement I am always looking for. This thing, let's just say that it roughly costs $33 based off the first listing. Even if we were to just sell that for double at $66 or $69.99 or somewhere between $75 to $80, that's crazy margin, that's crazy good. You're gonna be able to have a slightly higher cost per purchase than you would if you were selling $9 bracelets. And so I absolutely love those products for those two main reasons: mass appeal, margins. Number three is just the eye-catching factor, you know? So many people watch Netflix on their boring little smartphones. With this thing, it's like, whoa, I can project it on my roof, on a simple projector screen that I can use as an upsell in my store, etc. There's so many different options about this product. Here's my take on if you can sell it nowadays, because if we keep looking through here, there's tons of AliExpress listings, tons of Amazon listings, pretty damn good reviews, right? We got 5,549 reviews here. The average is 4.5 stars, not too bad. Clearly the quality is good if you find the right vendor. I have a video on that linked below. However, you cannot just take this product, put it on your store, whether it be a general store or a one product store, rip some content off YouTube and just run Facebook ads. That just won't work. Facebook smells dropshipping from a mile away. They know when people are reusing content. People have seen the content before as well. If you were to go about this and actually want to scale it, it's possible, but you can't do what most likely you're always doing, which is just taking content and re-uploading it to Facebook. The first thing you have to do before launching any ads is order this to your house and a few other people's houses, maybe on Billo, for example. That's a video below, and get them to record user-generated content of this thing in their rooms, in their cars, in their college dorm rooms, in their freaking kitchen, anywhere you want. That's step number one. Step number two then comes down to taking this to a whole new level and going viral organically on TikTok. Now, I'm not going to do too much research right now on the spot, but maybe I'll throw a screen recording up. This thing has definitely been mentioned on TikTok on one of those Amazon pages or whatnot. Maybe someone already ran a store about it, but that doesn't mean that you can't either. This thing belongs on TikTok. It's for the younger people. This isn't for 55-year-olds who go fishing, obviously. It's for younger students. And so if I were to run this kind of store, after investing in UGC, I would take all of that UGC plus the one I have in my house and film all kinds of video to post on TikTok. Sell them on the benefits. It's more enjoyable, you can enjoy it with more people, no more staring at your phone for so long, which can be bad for your eyes. The list goes on, guys. There's so many creative ideas here. My opinion, can you still sell this? Yes, but not everyone. Only those talented marketers who are willing to go the extra distance, get this thing pushed out on TikTok, get it pushed out also on Facebook ads and maybe even influencers, but not the general way of dropshipping. That's my entire theory on almost any single product you can find on AliExpress, Alibaba, wherever you want to find it. There is no such thing as saturation. You just really have to take things and do it in your own way. Here's one competitor I just found by searching mini projector plus Shopify on Google. They're called Cube Projectors. They're selling it for $74.95. They probably have some upsells. It's a pretty long landing page, so in my opinion, I'd probably keep it a little bit shorter. And yeah, they have the idea though. You want GIFs in here. You want to be able to sell the idea that if you're traveling, you can use it. If you're at home, you can use it. It's better for your eyes than your phone. That's a huge angle that I would personally use. Yes, there's been a lot of sellers, especially on Amazon, but that does not mean that it still can't be done. TikTok is untapped. If you invest in UGC, have a simple, nice, clean funnel, push your social medias, and do this for the long term, you can turn this into $1 million brand. And that's not a guarantee. Disclosure, I'm not some genie, but all of that good stuff is going to be linked below. And there's my take. any product that you find, if you're looking through it and you're kind of concerned saying, oh, it's so saturated, oh, there's so much competition, that's true. There's some companies that you just can't compete with, like Snow Oral Care, for example. You can't just sell the makeshift item of them and expect to just really like interfere with them. No. But if you take it, add your own twist, invest in influencers, do all those right things and actually build a real brand, then yes, it's possible. You could still fail, of course, but it's going to be a lot more likely that you're going to succeed doing that route than just taking it, running it for 3 days and making an assumption, because assumptions kill businesses, people. And if you're lazy, that's even worse, because then you can't make assumptions because you're so lazy. So there's the bottom line. This video might be a little bit too long. Wrapping it up there. Thanks so much for checking out this video, guys. If you did like it, I have to remind you just one more time, drop that thumbs up. I have to remind you, just drop a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video because there's tons more to come. Peace.